Romans 8:28 in the Amplified. And we know with great confidence that God, who is deeply concerned about us, causes all things to work together as a plan for good to those who love God, to those who are called according to his plan and purpose. The Passion Translation, I love the way it reads. So we are convinced that every detail of our lives is continually woven together for good. For we are his lovers who have been called to fulfill his designed purpose. So many times when the enemy brings unexpected trials, whether it's sickness, whether it's finances, whether it's relationships, one of the first things the enemy does is he tries to make us believe that God isn't good, that he's not working everything out.